I want to welcome you to my class. This is Coach Sanders, and I am your Algebra 1B and intensive math teacher. Uh, I am your hybrid teacher, so that means I will only see you twice per week. The other 3 days, you need to have internet access at the house, and you need to follow along with the course. Uh, what I want to do now is show you how to get into Schoology into our course. So you need to log on to my SDMC and go down to your Schoology tab. So once you click your Schoology tab, you'll go to your courses. So whatever period I have you can click on that course and you can get into the class. So right here I have Algebra 1B, period 1. So that's the course I picked. So once you go into that course, you click the Algebra 1B folder. And in that folder, you'll see your welcome folder. Then you also see the week of. So whatever week we're in, that's where you'll get your work at. So let's click the welcome letter or the welcome folder so we can see what's all in it. So in our welcome folder, we have our welcome video. We have a welcome letter. We also have a letter in here that explains how to get in contact with me, what my office hours are, and my phone number so you can contact me if you need to. Here's your classroom expectation. This shows you how to take your attendance when you're not on campus. When you are on campus, I'll be the one taking your attendance. Here's the grading and the makeup work policy, scope and sequence, so you can follow along to our map that we're laying out for you for the year. Here's your e-learning tips. So again, if you have trouble at the house, when you're on your computer, you can click into this folder and it should be able to help you out. All right, and here's your handbooks for e-learning and for in school. All right, so that's our welcome folder. Again, I want to welcome you to my class. I look forward to teaching you this year and furthering your education. It should be a blast. I know we're going through a tough time with COVID-19, but we will see it through. Talk to you later.